Morning lads, how you going? Today I'm pretty under the pump, and it gets your mind racing in a different, it's really grating at me at the moment. So I was running late. I failed the test of getting up when the alarm clock goes off. It was only 15 to 20 minutes, but that 15 to 20 minutes put me in traffic. That traffic then, delayed me in further 30, 40 minutes. And then all of a sudden I start stressing out about the amount of things I need to do today. I've got so much going on. Fuck, I'm late. And then, I can already start anticipating customer complaints of, what's, people that have been waiting, because they probably are. I'm a tradesman that has to be punctual, and at the moment, we're already running 20, 30, 40 minutes late. And even though I have notified everyone that, we're caught in traffic or whatnot, still is sort of not satisfactory in terms of providing the best service. We provide the best service, and that's what we try to hold our reputation on. So automatically I start thinking in my head, what can I say? And start thinking, look, I'm just too busy. I've got so much going on. I'm in huge demand. I apologise. I'm in such huge demand, which is true. At the moment we're in such big demand that trying to squeeze in jobs before my day starts and after my day finishes, which extends, my 8 to 10 hour day to a 12, 13 hour day. And, do I really want to run a business like that? So the perfect business shouldn't invoke stress, and this is me putting my mind in a frame of stress just by telling myself the story that I would relay to customers, saying that I'm in huge demand. I'm just too busy to keep up, and what can I do? I'm sorry, it's a wrong frame of mind. Just need to structure the day better, raise our prices, to deliver a better service, to be more punctual, and to have a successful business model. And sure, some people may not want to pay the prices. We may lose some clients because of this, but for me to deliver a better service to the people that are willing to pay more, we need to reduce the stress of the day, reduce the workload to be able to provide that 10-15% more and work on that particular model. Again, this little video is just therapy for me. I wanted to make the video because I was stressing out, and just even methodically thinking through this has helped me. So thank you for listening, if you are. I already feel calm. Boom.